Cheese.
Cheese.
You're about to break this wood right here.
2.
Okay.
I'm not gonna stop.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, dang! This is ready. One big punch. How about we do one more? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you hit with your head now. Hey, buddy. Oh! Come here. How about this one? Ready?
My head bumping?
Yeah. Yeah, I want you to hit it right here. Forehead. Oh!
That was head on my forehead.
That was the same thing. How about your knee? Elbow. Oh! Oh! Ouch! Dang, it'll get this quick. Ready? What do you want to do now?
Huh?
What do you want to use now?
My butt.
Okay, come on. Ouch! Oh! Oh, dang! So, really big punch. Oh! Dang!
Can I do that again?
I don't think there's any more. Last one.
Last one?
Last one, yep. How you want to do it?
Let me see.
Sit right here and do it, ready?
I'm gonna kick one time where very soft. Then I'm gonna punch real hard.
Okay. Oh! I'm trying to do, okay, you're going to punch this one with this hand, break it, I'm going to pick it up, you punch with the other hand really fast. Okay, this hand first. And as soon as you break it, I'm going to throw it down and grab this one once you hit it hard, okay? Go, 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 go. That's one, ready? Hit, buddy. Elbow, quick! Ouch! Ouch! Small one. Oh! And now, oh, your face! Hello. You see it on your hair? Look it down. Dang. All right.